Alright, so for math, I am using Math UC for all three kids. Little Bear is going to be starting with primer, and he is actually the only one that I actually bought the DVD for. The kids for English and math will be working separately because they're on 3 different levels. All of our other subjects I'm teaching across level, so I'll be teaching all 3 of them at one time. For math and English, they'll be working independently, and that's the biggest reason I bought the DVD for the littlest one. For primer, he's starting out, he actually has 2 years to work on this before I really need to move him up to the next level. The primer starts him out with recognizing numbers and basic addition and subtraction. A lot of it is using tiles, blocks, manipulatives, which I showed you guys in another video. I've got a bunch of them. So I don't expect much work with that. Brother Bear is on epsilon level, which is fractions. For him, I did not get the video. We do have fraction manipulatives for him to use, and there is the instruction manual, and then for him there's actually the workbook and the testing book. Because I try to save money. I'm a couponer. I look for sales. I don't necessarily want to have to buy the same level of work multiple times. So for our core subjects for English and math, the work that they do in their workbooks, they're actually not going to be writing the answers in the books. They're going to have separate notebooks, and I'm just asking them to write down the page number and then problem number with their answer, and I'll be checking those notebooks to grade their answers. That way, when Little Bear moves up, the work that I've already bought for Brother Bear, we've already got it. I don't have to buy it again. And Sister is actually going into pre-algebra, so in 2 years, when Brother Bear moves up, I'll already have that. And I plan on doing that for both English and math. So that gives you guys a real quick idea on how we plan on doing that. I've also seen people use like dry erase boards to write answers, or plastic sleeve protectors, and you just slide it over the edge of the page and they can use a dry erase marker to write their answers. But for us, because I have 3 different students on 3 different grade levels, and the littlest one is going to require more attention, this way they can do their work independently, write their answers in their notebook, and I can go back later, even in the afternoon or the evening when they're busy playing, and I can grade their work then. And I still have the worksheets and workbooks for future years. So that is our math and a basic idea of the 2 subjects we're doing not together.